Hello, Harvest here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues on your OneDrive app on iOS. So all you want to do is first check if the update is available. Search bar, OneDrive, right here, and you're checking for the update. If you have the newest version like me and still have the issue, I'll show you more ways how to fix it. First way is go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, and just find your app, OneDrive, right here, and set all settings on the fabrics. Like here, search all on, Siri all on, background app refresh on, and language doesn't matter. If you change every settings to the fabric and still got the issue, so the last way is you take your app, remove app, right here, and just reinstall. Right, like here. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.